Alright, here's a quick breakdown of the night shift feature on your iPad, including what it is, what it does, and how to best use it. Night shift is designed to optimize your screen for late night use and adjust the colors to reduce eye strain, and help you sleep better by minimizing blue light. A quick way to turn on night shift is through the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner and then tap and hold the brightness slider. You'll see a couple of options appear below the brightness slider, and in the middle you have night shift. When I tap it, you'll see the tone of my display turn slightly warmer and more yellow. The difference is subtle, so it doesn't drastically change how everything looks on your screen, but this is easier on your eyes during the late hours. You can also customize your night shift settings. We'll go to Settings first, and from the left side, scroll down to Display and Brightness. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a dedicated menu for night shift. There's a couple of controls here. I can, for example, change the color temperature by using the slider. I can make this really warm and yellow or set it to something more subtle. On the top, I have an option to schedule this feature. You can have it automatically turn on and off between a specific time frame, or you can simply set it to turn on from sunset to sunrise. This will turn night shift on when the sun goes down and then disable it when the sun is up, all depending on your location and daylight hours. Or if you'd like, you can manually turn it on from here until tomorrow. I didn't like this feature at first, but lately I can't live without it. Especially if you're looking at bright white pages or apps late at night, or even watching shows or sports that are very bright, I've noticed turning on night shift is significantly easier on my eyes. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.